How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos, and today we're going to be talking about the JBL Quantum 100, so stay tuned. A huge shout out to everybody who's liked, shared, and commented on the videos. I appreciate you guys are awesome, and a rousing welcome to everybody who just joined us over the week. I appreciate you guys, you're welcome to the family. Now get on code. Getting on code means it's time to do the work. Doing the work means we have to start liking these videos, sharing them across the social media platforms, and leaving a comment in the comment section. I need to know what you think about these videos. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when these videos are put out, you'll be the first to know. Alright, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what we're going to be talking about today. Let us get to it. When I first saw this headset, I was very skeptical because JBL generally isn't known for making budget headsets or any budget devices. So you can understand my skepticism when I saw the price of this. At the time of shooting this video, price on this was 599 rands, which is 40 US dollars. Comes in blue, black and white, and it is Discount certified. Let's get into it. The entire headset isn't really elaborately made, just a simple design, so it is no shocker that the headband is made from very lightweight plastic. No elaborate design on it, just the JBL logo on it. Under the headband is a cushioned pleather wrapped section that gives medium comfort to your head. The foam and pleather wrap is quite soft, but I'll prefer if the foam is not so thin. The ear cups are very comfortable if you ask me. During my research, I found a few people complaining about ear cup size and also the clamp force around the ear. I guess size of your ears and head can be a factor with this. In my experience, it was comfortable. The cushioned wrap ear muffs were soft and the pleather wrap was airy, for lack of a descriptive word. The sound from the speakers are really clear, crisp and well balanced. It's loud too, but if you really want to enjoy quality gaming time with immersive sound, increase the volume to the highest mark and adjust the device audio settings you're gaming on. Behind the left ear are the controls for the headset, a volume scroll and a mic on and off button. There really isn't much to say about that. If you follow my videos, you'll know how I feel about the controls being behind the ear cup. So, moving on. For a budget headset, the mic is exceptional. It's a 2.5mm audio jack boom mic. It's detachable and it means you can replace it with another compatible one if the mic craps out. The mic on this thing gives you full-bodied, natural and completely distortion-free sound. Hats off to JBL on this one. The audio cable is rather thin and just 1.5 meters long, so not a lot of allowance for movement. If you want to fix that, get a longer audio cable and attach it. That should solve the problem. The cable ends with a single 3.5mm audio jack. You may need a wire audio adapter cable depending on your device. You can use this headset for any gaming format, but I think it's a better PC headset than a console one. It is designed for full compatibility with the native surround sound system built into Windows 10 PCs and Xbox One consoles. In summary, the JBL Quantum is an amazing headset to have. Performance on this is absolutely amazing, especially for the price tag. What it fails to give in build quality, it more than makes up for performance. My disappointment is in the build. The cord is not near long enough, the plastic used doesn't seem strong enough, feels like it will break. In the end, it comes down to performance. Some might take it for its performance and be careful with it, or not take it at all, your decision. The headset would have received the TOB stamp of approval if it was built a little bit steadier. Shame, because the audio performance, especially the mic, rivals a lot of the high quality headsets. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the video, share them across your social media platforms. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, click on the subscription button right there, and do not forget the notification bell so that when this video is put out, you'll be the first to know. We're still doing request videos, so if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Till next time, take care.